O sound. In this session, we will learn formation, action, O sound words. Then we will do some activities together. Let's start with formation and action. When we put letter O and letter A together, they make O sound. Now let's do the action together. Bring your hand over your mouth as if something has gone wrong and say
Oh.
Now let's do the action and sing the song together.
Oh, did you see the billy goats? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goats under the old oak tree?
Now let's write O sound together. First, we will write O sound. It's round. Then we will write A sound. Round, up, down and flick. Again. Round. Then round, up, down and flick. Now let's learn some new words for O sound. Let's start. The first word we have boat. Boat. Next word is loaf. Loaf. And we have goat. Goat. And also we have coat. Coat. And this is toad. Toad. And this is oak. Oak. Soap. Soap. Road. Road. And the last word is goal. Goal. Now it's activity time. Let's start. Activity number 1. Let's read some words for O sound together. Let's start.
Oak. Oak. Loaf. Coat. Goat. Load. Soap. Boat.
O, D, toad. F, O, M, foam. R, O, D, road. G, O, L, goal. T, O, S, T, toast.
Activity number 2. In this activity, listen to the words with O sound.
Listen for O in these words: mouth, heard, soap.
Yes, excellent. It's so has O sound.
Can you hear O in soap?
Yes.
Well done. Listen for O in these words: nap, fork, loaf.
Yes, that's right. It's
Can you hear O in loaf?
loaf. Yes.
Yay! Listen for O in these words: wood, sleep, oak.
Excellent, KG. It's O. It has O sound.
Can you hear O in oak? Well done.
Activity number 3. Click the pictures that contain the O sound. We have lots of pictures here and words have O sound. We have boat, boat, coat, coat, and this is soap, soap, and the last picture is goat, goat. Well done, KG. And this is the end of our session for today. Thanks for watching and see you later.